Understanding subcooling for thermostatic expansion valves and superheat for fixed orifice systems is key to nailing your HVAC troubleshooting and system optimization. Okay, so with a thermostatic expansion valve, subcooling is pretty steady because the valve adjusts refrigerant flow based on the cooling load, keeping everything balanced. But with fixed orifice systems, superheat shifts around because the orifice just lets the same amount of refrigerant through no matter what, which means as the heat load changes, the refrigerant might not match up perfectly. To keep track, always measure superheat at the evaporator outlet and subcooling at the condenser outlet to see how well your system is doing. When you notice superheat jumping in a fixed orifice system, it could mean the load is changing or there's a refrigerant charge issue. Make sure your temperature and pressure readings are spot on, and don't forget to check for blockages or restrictions in the line set that could mess with flow. Also, keep your gauges calibrated and double-check your measurements during different operating conditions to get a full picture. Remember, knowing how superheat swings in fixed orifice setups helps you figure out if you're dealing with undercharge, overcharge, or even a failing component. One of the biggest mistakes HVAC techs make when dealing with superheat on fixed orifice systems is assuming superheat should be constant like with a thermostatic expansion valve. It won't be, so you got to expect some variation and interpret it accordingly. Another common issue is ignoring fluctuating heat loads. If you only check superheat when the system is running light or heavy, you won't get the full story. Last but not least, failing to check for refrigerant charge problems can throw off your readings big time. Always confirm the charge first before chasing other issues. To fix these, first, adjust your expectations and use superheat trends instead of single values. Next, take multiple readings under different loads to understand normal variations. Finally, verify refrigerant charge and inspect for physical blockages or leaks to keep everything flowing right. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners connect with local contractors they can actually trust for their home improvement jobs. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to find real work without all the hassle of endless searching.